You are going to love the 2026 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, convertible soft top. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.